And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to build a custom option chain layout for spreads in Webull. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you're using Webull and you want to build a custom option chain layout for spreads, all you can do is simply open your Webull account. Once you open your Webull account, you need to navigate to the options. Once you navigate to the options, search for the stock and tap on the option button located on the left of the chart. After this, you can customize the display by tapping on the drop-down menu bar. Now, you need to build a strategy as well. You need to use the drop-down menu at the bottom of the option chain to select a specific option strategy. The website or app will guide you to select the appropriate strike prices and expiration dates for the chosen strategy. Once the contracts are selected, you will be directed to an order preview page where you can adjust details like order type, price, and quantity. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.